So if you're watching this video, that means you want to know what can you actually drive with the CDL Class B. My name is Jonathan, I'm the founder of Driving Academy, and we're the best truck driving school in the entire country. That's right, the entire country and maybe even the world. So that being said, let's talk about what is a CDL Class B. CDL stands for Commercial Driver's License. That means that you're able to drive commercial vehicles. And what is classified as a commercial vehicle? In this case, any vehicle that weighs more than 26,000 pounds. Now you might be thinking, well, does it need air brakes? The answer is no. You don't need air brakes for a Class B vehicle. Most Class B vehicles do have air brakes, but the weight is the only thing that actually determines how big the actual vehicle license that you're going to need. So with the CDL Class B, what can you not drive? You cannot drive Class A vehicles. So Class A vehicles are going to be like this tractor trailer right over here. You can't drive like things like doubles. You can't even drive like this pickup truck with a car carrier behind it. Because if you think about it, that vehicle, the entire vehicle itself weighs more than 26,000 pounds, so that's good. But the trailer weighs more than 10,000 pounds, so that's no good. So that disqualifies you from able to drive that vehicle. Now, if you do have your Class B, what can you drive? You can drive anything that fits that criteria. So for instance, you could drive a box truck like this. You could drive a cement truck. You could drive a garbage truck. You can even drive a fire truck. That's right. So the cool thing about fire trucks is the overall vehicle weighs more than 26,000 pounds. But if you're a firefighter, there's a rule out there that you don't even need a CDL license. So that was a trick question, right? One thing that people think that they need is like for this RV, for instance. This RV, technically you do not need a CDL Class B license, even though it might weigh over 26,000 pounds, because that's for recreational use only, not commercial use. But if you turn that into a tour bus, now you're going to need to get yourself a CDL Class B. Now, the other thing that people ask about is B, does that stand for bus? That means I can actually drive buses too? Well, that's a maybe. So that means if you want to drive coach buses like this, potentially school buses like that, you're actually going to have to get an extra endorsement on your license. So if you just want to transport normal passengers, you're going to have to get a passenger endorsement on your license. If you want to be able to drive school buses, you need two endorsements, passenger endorsement and school bus endorsement. Because the biggest difference is there's no picking up and dropping kids off like at different stations when you're at a actual passenger like a coach bus type of thing, right? Because a coach bus drops off at certain stations and picks up at the next station. You're not just stopping in the middle of the road and putting your stop sign on just to pick up random passengers on the street. So it's a little bit different of a skill set. So if getting a CDL Class B is definitely what you want, it's definitely a cool way to kind of stay local. It's a cool way to kind of get variety. But if you want to make the most amount of money possible, getting a Class A is probably the best option for you. But if you do want to get yourself a CDL Class B, there is a two-step process. Step number one, you first have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. Step number two, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test to get your actual license. And if you want to come with the best truck driving school in the entire country, all you got to do is come to Driving Academy. We're located pretty much all over the country. We have franchises that are going to be expanding nationwide. And our first location was opened up in Linden, New Jersey. So if you want to see if there's a location near you, check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Go to our locations tab or contact us tab, and you'll be able to see all the locations that are nearest to you. We're here to help you out any which way that we can. So check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.